time coming, so have no fear. You requested something new? Black Rain is now here, pushing God's love like a drug. When all of our peers exploding the microphone, this be our world premiere. World premiere, yeah, this be our world premiere. World premiere, yeah, this be our world premiere. Preaching relentless, heaven's apprentice, bearing Jehovah's Witness. Spending time sipping vintage wine with Christ on my mind. Breaking bread with saved heads covered in God's blood, so I stays red. To the youth, I spit absolute truth. That stays absolutely doing my duty to proclaim God's name all over your block. And I won't stop, cause reading biblical manuals that transform me into a new lyrical animal, equipped with spiritual instinct. The style's distinct, leaking scriptures through metaphors like blood from open pores, leaving demons sore with the way we praise El Gabor forevermore. It's how long's my lifeline, cause my name's a transcribed in the book of life, God's own, purchased by Christ. Used to be lifeless, now I'm righteous. Not too many like it when I write and recite this, cause what Christ spit through my lips sings seagulls quick like they game battleship. Direct hits to the chest blown, least heads blown to demons who wanna get it on like Latin kings and the yetas. Just remember, God's word says you want the matacletas, que pasa, we make it hot time.
The sword shimmer and shine in my battalion, swinging east to west, chopping head to chest. I suggest Christians rock a Satan-proof vest. Time to sound the alarm in modern Babylon. We mighty men like Gideon. Come on, y'all, let's get it on. You better have your helmet type strap with visors fitted on. The spiritual chameleons is caught up in the danger zone. So to the depth, I'm speaking the truth. To Christ is proven wrong. For a long time been slept upon. There's now a road we travel on. Been known to take the strife out of men. Now put your armor on. Swinging like I'm Genghis Khan. This battlefield we fighting on. But level by the champ of the cross, who's lounging on the throne. Christian men who make it known, step into the microphone, rapping like the mark of the East. What side you fighting on?
It's been a long time coming, so have no fear. You requested something new? Black Rain is now here, pushing God's love like a drug. When all of our peers exploding the microphone, this be our world premiere. World premiere, yeah, this be our world premiere. World premiere, yeah, this be our world premiere. World premiere.
Back to spit hot flames through the monotonous. It's my synopsis that every fallen angel in hell swearing they stopping this modern day apocalypse that's hitting like a safety blitz. Slang